the dirt will come out of the body. Amazing benefits of eating raisins every day you didn't know about. 1. It might also help in the prevention of cancer. 2. It helps to keep your BP in check. 3. Raisins also enhance immunity. 4. Helps to curb urbing anti-inflammatory disorders like arthritis. 5. It will help you sleep better. 6. Popping raisins can help you poop better. 7. Eat raisins to gain weight. Health benefits of cumin. 1. Promotes digestion. 2. Is a rich source of iron. 3. Contains beneficial plant compounds. 4. May help with diabetes. 5. May improve blood cholesterol. Health benefits of turmeric. 1. Curcumin is an anti-inflammatory. 2. Curcumin may help protect against heart disease. 3. Curcumin may help ease symptoms of osteoarthritis. 4. Curcumin may help treat or prevent diabetes. Ingredients: raisins, cumin, turmeric. Drink 1 glass before bed.